Okay, so today we are going to be working on graphing. There are two pages of the graphing. We have, two different versions of the graphing. So this is one version. If you look in your packet and you don't have this version, then you can go watch the other video. So it says, number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. Number 2, answer the questions about the graph. So the words that we're going to look at are teacher, school, test, home, and month. We're going to count how many of those icons, and then we're going to write the number on the side. So as always, feel free to pause the video if you need to write the answers down. So our first word is teacher. How many icons are here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to write 7.
7.
Our next word is school. School has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 icons. I'm going to put 4. Our next word is test. Test has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Test.
6.
Our next word is home. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our last word is month. There is just one picture of month.
1.
Okay, so for questions 1 through 6, we are going to be using this graph and these numbers to answer questions. Number 1 asks, which word has the most symbols? Most. Is it home, teacher, or test? So we see home, teacher, and test. Which one has the most? Is it 4, 6, or 7? 7 is our largest number. So the answer is teacher.
Teacher.
Teacher has the most. Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? Teacher, school, or month? We have teacher, school, or month. So which one has the fewest, the least amount? The numbers are 7, 4, and 1. The answer is month. It just says 1, month. Number 3 says, what is the highest number? The highest. So is it 7, 6, or 4? The answer is 7. 7 is the largest number.
7.
And so on the opposite of that, it's going to ask us, well, what is the lowest number? 4, 1, or 6? Oops, sorry. So if we look at our graph, we have 4, 1, and 6. When we look at the pictures, the one with the least amount is the number 1. And then the last one, number 5, says, do any words have the same number? Yes or no? So do we see any of these words with the same number? We have 7, 4, 6, 4, 1. Do we see any of the same numbers? Yes, the number 4 shows up 2 times, so we're going to say yes.